munchies, welcome to the channel. I am guessing most of you are not new. If you're watching this video, you probably have seen my content before, and I am so very grateful to you for that. I have been making YouTube content for over 6 years now, and it has changed a lot because I have changed a lot. But honestly, I think the biggest change is yet to come. This last year or so, I have been itching to shift the content to revolve more around relationships with food, emotional eating, and stress over diet and health. But I didn't really know how to do it. It was just like all jumble in my brain. Well, last year I started grad school. I'm about halfway done now, and that was the best choice I ever made because it helped me figure out how to talk about these things that are so important to me and personal for me, and I think they could really be helpful for so many of you. So I am so excited to announce, and actually it's kind of a reminder because I did mention this in last month's video, I am hosting a free course for the month of January that is all about healing relationships with food, figuring out how to stop dieting, how to make peace with food in our bodies while still being healthy, and how to learn to eat and live more mindfully. It is 100% free. There are no catches. So if you want to join, you can sign up at mindovermunch.com/foodfreedom. It will be Monday through Friday, all month long in January. There are only a couple of actual food and recipe videos in there. So it's going to be really different content than you might be used to from me, but it is just for January. I wanted to put it out there and see, how the conversations go with you guys and really get to know what it is you need to heal your relationships with food, to see if I can help, bridge the gap with my content. Anyway, I hope you will join. Course videos are gonna be on YouTube, but the additional materials like the downloads, the PDFs, the homework, all that good stuff is gonna be delivered to you daily via email for the month of January. You can unsubscribe from emails after that if you want. I won't be offended, but I do hope you'll join because I've been working on this series for months and I'm so excited to finally start talking about this stuff. So thank you to everyone who has supported me throughout my time on YouTube and those of you who have also been excited for this new content. I know, healthy is hard. Knowing what to do is stressful. I have definitely parsed my way through so much of the crap, and I don't want anyone else to have to go through some of those struggles that I went through to just feel okay as I am. So join me at mindovermunch.com/foodfreedom. Today, I wanted to share some of the best moments from 2020, and we threw a few really old ones in there too from previous years on the channel just for fun. I hope you enjoy this little compilation. I think we're only moving to more exciting territory on the channel from here, and I cannot wait, and I cannot thank you enough for being here. So enjoy, have a wonderful and happy Christmas, and I will see you next week with a brand new episode.
I'm Alyssia, welcome if you're new.
Today's video was inspired by my love for cookies and coffee. Oh, I know what this is.
What is it?
Easy meals, 8 different recipes, processed foods, adult Lunchables, crazy.
The most delicious dirt cup of all time.
What's the first one?
I don't know, baby, let's take a look.
Let me down.
This year has been tough for all of us in so many ways. I am grateful for you. This year, I'm feeling especially grateful for the people in my life that I love. A dirt cup, do you remember those? I am so excited you're here either way.
I really feel empowered to take on whatever comes with a full and open heart.
I can't wait to see what you come up with next year.